In this video, I'll show you how to create a BASE44 app from scratch. First, sign into your BASE44 account and click Create New App. Next, enter a prompt describing the app you want to build. Be specific about the features you need, then submit the prompt. After that, wait for BASE44 to generate the first version of your app. Once it's ready, review the pages and test the basic functionality. Now, use the chat panel to request any changes or new features. Simply tell BASE44 what you want to add, remove, or improve, and it will update the app for you. Next, follow any setup instructions that BASE44 provides, especially if you need authentication, integrations, or other advanced features. Finally, test your app, make any final adjustments, and click Publish to make it live. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a BASE44 app from scratch. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.